Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I am Sivatmika Chavali. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Today is day 24 of being productive in coding. So today I'm gonna solve middle of a linked list. We need to return the middle number or node. Yes, it is a number. We need to return the middle number that is present in the linked list. Take this as an example. This is the input 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the linked list. The middle node is 3, and we need to return the integer 3. Same goes with here. The middle node is 7, so we need to return the 7. In order to find the middle node, first of all, we need to know the length of the linked list. If we know the length of the linked list, and if we divide that by 2, and again if we do looping, then we can get the middle of a linked list. Let's do the problem. It's so let's take one variable as temp, and it is pointing to the head node. And now let's take one variable called integer, and let's initialize the value as 0. Now while temp not equal to null, this loop will continues, and the main purpose of this loop is to count the length of the linked list here. So temp equal to temp dot next and length plus plus. For example, let's see what is the length of the linked list. Println length, and let's return 0. So the length of the linked list is 5 as expected here. See, there are 5 nodes, so length of the linked list is 5. Okay, now our length variable is ready. So linked list length, we know the linked list length. Now we need to initialize another variable called mid, as it is the middle value we are finding. So mid value will be length by 2. Now again we need to, let's take another variable called node. Why we need to take another variable? Let's assign this temporary node that we have initialized it in starting to again head itself, because now our temp is null. If it is null only, right, the while loop will be stop its execution. So again we are assigning the temp node to our head node. Now again temp will be placed in this head node. Now again we are doing while loop. While temp not equal to null, actually it will not go that beyond. It will stop up to middle of the node, because we just need that node itself, that number. So if temp dot data, not data, we need to use another count, I guess. Here we need another variable, let's say as count. If count is equal to mid, means return the temp dot data. Now we need to go step by step. Next to next temp, let's execute, compile and run. It failed. Why it failed? Okay, we need to increment the count value, count plus plus. It passed. Let's submit the code. It passed. I hope you all got this problem. Basically, what we have done means we have initialized one temporary node, and we assign that temporary node to head. Now temporary node is pointing to the head, and for we are just calculating the length in this loop. And again, after finding the length, we are finding the middle node by dividing that length by 2. So from that we can get the middle node, and we took another variable called count. So count will be incremented up to the mid, and if it reaches to the mid, means we need to return the temporary dot data. And we also move the temporary node to the next node. From this way we can get the temporary middle node of a linked list. So this is all about the video. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel.